Hello guys, this is Thompson from 5 Best Ones. Are you looking for the best product on the market? If yes, then you're in the right place. In this video, I will share every bit of information with you so that you can pick the best product according to your need. We have made a list by investing a healthy amount of time and effort. The link in the description demonstrates the product list with a pretty reasonable value. So let's get started. If you didn't subscribe to our channel yet, then subscribe now and hit the bell icon for our latest videos.
Number 1. Yamaha Underwater Scooter. When using an underwater scooter, it is near impossible not to feel like the protagonist or antagonist of your very own action movie. Anyone who has tried it knows that it is one of the most magical feelings on Earth. Nevertheless, to ensure that the sweet dream of whirring through all the underwater scenery does not turn into a nightmare, the best kind of equipment needs to be used. Undoubtedly, in the Yamaha sea scooters, all sea life enthusiasts can find a safe and secure piece of machinery. The device itself is a beginner's level water scooter that is more suited for recreational divers and snorkelers. If you are in the market for some family fun and adventure, this is definitely the product to make use of. It is generally used for shallow dives that involve recreational activities such as snorkeling or some harmless fish stalking. When fired up, it has the ability to cruise at speeds up to 2.5 mph at the depth of 30 feet. It may not sound like much for the seasoned diver, but beginners are sure to have the time of their lives while holding on to this sea scooter. When using this scooter, it is wise to pace yourself with 20-minute rides. Nevertheless, the sea scooter can run for up to an hour with normal use. If you like this product, please check out the Amazon link in the description below. Number 2. Sublue WhiteShark Mix Underwater Scooter. As fun as scooters are, they are not only used for recreation. Being able to navigate underwater, sometimes while lugging heavy machinery around, can come in handy in a rescue mission. To properly achieve that goal, a machine with a little more juice is required, and based on that alone, the Sublue WhiteShark Mix Underwater Scooter is up to the task. This dive scooter uses power from 2 motors to enable users to glide through any body of water. As a result of this extra momentum, the scooter itself can generate up to 17.6 lb of thrust and equally propel you up to 3.4 mph to a depth of 131 inches. Its user-friendly design not only makes this sea scooter fast but also makes it incredibly easy to use. It has a streamlined and symmetrical design, which allows for the reservation of magnet switches at left and right holding positions. All you have to do to power this baby up is to take a hold of the handles, give the triggers a squeeze, then the rest is history. With the included floater, users are at liberty to achieve positive buoyancy. The choice is solely theirs. In addition to the floater, this sea scooter is equally fitted with a high-capacity battery, as well as a battery charger with an AC adapter. To make this scooter even more efficient, there is a safety strap included. If you like this product, please check out the Amazon link in the description below. Number 3. Flagship Yamaha 500 Li Underwater Scooter. As it is almost always the case, just because this scooter has appeared last on the list does not mean that it is in any way the least. It is a well-thought-out product that offers its best to both beginners and pro divers alike. The Flagship Yamaha 500 Li sea scooter puts its best foot forward in terms of class, power, and speed. It is made in such a way that divers can easily spend a lot more time at the bottom and end up exerting less energy as they do so. Its overall design features handlebars as the main tool of navigation. Due to their high level of importance, they are made of the best impact-resistant material currently on the market. For the user's convenience, it also has smart and ergonomically placed triggers that make for a more natural thumb position while operating the trigger. And for better navigation altogether, the scooter has several D-ring points, as well as the LED battery status indicator to keep users informed about the battery level at all times. Anyone making use of this device can be rest assured that the battery life is stellar, though it has close to 1.5 hours of runtime. This is as a result of the 500-watt battery, which powers it to the point that it can easily glide through the water at a speed of 4.35 mph. The battery is also incredibly lightweight and is removable in case the need arises to replace it or charge it externally. If you like this product, please check out the Amazon link in the description below. Number 4. Jerry Rat Underwater Scooter. One of the greatest gifts in life is the ability to learn and acquire new skills. The same way Rome was not built in a day, no one can expect to become an expert diver overnight. It is a good thing that diving while operating a water scooter is a readily learnable skill. In order to nail down the basics of avoiding dangerous situations and navigating with awareness, all users need to make use of high-functioning equipment. With the Jerry Rat Underwater Scooter Sea Scooter, the chance to become a master of the watery depths is made possible. The device itself is a beginner's level water scooter that is more suited for recreational divers and snorkelers. If you are in the market for some family fun and adventure, this is definitely the product to make use of. It is generally used for shallow dives that involve recreational activities such as snorkeling or some harmless fish stalking. When fired up, it has the ability to cruise at speeds up to 2.5 mph at the depth of 30 feet. It may not sound like much for the seasoned diver, but beginners are sure to have the time of their lives while holding on to this sea scooter. When using this scooter, it is wise to pace yourself with 20-minute rides. Nevertheless, the sea scooter can run for up to an hour with normal use. If you like this product, please check out the Amazon link in the description below. Number 5. TUSA SAV-7 Underwater Scooter. When you are getting a product from a pioneer in any field, it goes without saying that it will be of high quality. Founded in Japan back in 1952, this brand happens to be one of the world's first scuba equipment manufacturers. The products they put out today have come a far way from the simple, yet efficient equipment they put out on the market in their early years. Their dedication to improving the overall quality of scuba and water sports shines forth in all their products, including the TUSA SAV-7 Underwater Scooter. Now, when you are talking about advancements in scuba technology, this scooter is right at the front of it. Unlike most of its counterparts out there, it is designed to propel up to 3 scuba divers all at once, and it allows for users to free up their hands while on the move. The convenience of it all is that all parties involved can easily enjoy the underwater scenery without getting easily tired. The addition of a progressive acceleration system that enables users to make speed adjustments while on the move only makes this one of the most convenient water scooters on the market. It also ensures that users will practically glide through the water and also allows for speed synchronization between divers in a number of geographical areas and conditions. Please comment on which product you like the most. Let us know your opinion on the topic for our next video. We are done for today. See you again next week. Thank you.